This is a multi-measure rest, and multi-measure rests tell the musician exactly how many measures they'll be resting for at any given point in a piece of music, as opposed to reading each empty measure individually and hoping you don't lose count. In this example, there's a number 4 that is displayed above the staff. That number, shown above the staff, tells the musician exactly how many measures they'll be resting for. And because the number in the example is 4, that means the performer will rest for exactly 4 measures. Let's look at another example. If you were to see this in your music, how many measures are you resting for? That's right, 32 measures. Seems like a lot, but trust me, this does happen, especially if you're a percussionist. Let's look at one last example. If you were to see this in your music, how many measures are you resting for in total? That's right, 8 measures. Multi-measure rests can be broken up into 2 parts like that by things such as time or key signature changes, double bar lines, or in this case, rehearsal markings. If you want to watch more music lessons for beginners, make sure you click one of the videos on the left side of your screen to continue your journey. And hey, if you want to see more content like this, then click the profile icon on the right side of your screen to subscribe to the channel. That way you never miss another video. Until then though, I hope you have a great week and happy practicing.